Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Teacher's Lounge. This is the corner of my YouTube channel where we are talking pedagogy. My name is Bradley J, and I have been an educator at the high school and the collegiate level for the last 20 years. Today's topic is about the teachable moment. What is a teachable moment? I have a couple of definitions that I could offer to you. The first definition is that a teachable moment is a place where a student's curiosity meets a deeper learning. So maybe there is something that the student is particularly interested in, and maybe that is happening to align with what you're teaching, and you are allowed then to go a little bit deeper. You're allowed to have a little bit more of an emotional connection with your subject matter. And that actually fosters a great deal of learning, both because the student is going to remember it, but also they're going to have an emotional response to it, which is also going to help them with the passion for that subject. One other definition that I could offer to you is that a teachable moment is sometimes those moments where we allow ourselves as a teacher to go off course. Maybe the interest from that student, maybe the peak of curiosity is maybe a little bit off the beaten path from where we had planned to go with that lesson, but maybe you can make the call as to whether or not it's okay to veer off in that moment. If that is going to result in some rich learning, I would encourage you to go off-roading, my friends. Teachable moments are an important step in learning because we recognize our own curiosity in those, and also it can help us to refine our lessons for future. Do you have your own definition of a teachable moment, or do you have a good example to share? I would encourage you to put that in the comments. And as always, make it a great day.